Hey, it's Brad. And late Friday night, you may not be aware, but around 11:25 p.m. Eastern Time, Australia, a rocket booster weighing about 3.5 tons, about 12 meters long, about the size of a bus, crashed into the far side of the moon. Now, trying to work out where this booster came from and who it belonged to is a bit of a trick. Around the Earth, the gravity of the Earth holds satellites and objects in fairly sustained, controlled orbits. But when you get out really far past the moon isn't strong enough to hold on to these things that well, especially something that's not deliberately put around it. The Earth can tug on it as well, and even the sun. So things get a little chaotic as they get out past the moon. And so an astronomer a few months ago realized that this rocket booster, which we now believe is from a launch of China's mission last year to the moon, was going to crash into the moon. And it represented the first time we've unintentionally crashed into the moon. Now, we've landed objects on the moon before. Some didn't quite work, so they crashed. NASA has also launched a mission called LCROSS, where they deliberately essentially shot a satellite, a probe, into the surface of the moon to create a new crater and measure what's underneath the ground. But this was the first time something uncontrolled accidentally hit the moon. And it was a bit of a sign and a bit of a worry because, well, the space junk problem, all the stuff that we put up, we're starting to lose control over. We're starting to put a lot of things up there, and it's hard to track and catalog and deal with all these things. It's hard enough around the Earth, but as you get to the moon, it's that much harder. So maybe this is a big sign that as we explore the moon more, we need to get a better control over where all of our stuff is and a better bit of sustainability in space. If you want to read more, check out the link below.